I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford F150 back door. First, you need to identify the specific problem. Is your back door completely stuck, or does it only open from one side? Listen for any clicking or grinding noises when you try to operate the handle or lock. Understanding these initial symptoms will help pinpoint the exact cause and guide you toward the correct repair, saving you time and effort. Several common issues can prevent your F150's back door from opening. Often, the problem lies with broken or stretched latch cables, which connect the handle to the latch mechanism. Another frequent culprit is a faulty door lock actuator, an electrical component that controls the locking and unlocking. You might also find small, broken plastic pieces inside the door, indicating a mechanical failure within the latch assembly itself. To begin the repair, you will need to carefully remove the interior door panel to expose the internal components. If a latch cable is broken, you can often replace it with a new one or, in some cases, use a sturdy zip tie as a temporary or even long-term fix. For electronic locking issues, replacing the door lock actuator is usually the solution. Ensure the new actuator is correctly wired and connected to the latch mechanism for proper function. To prevent future back door issues, regular maintenance is key. Apply white lithium grease to your door latches and hinges every 6 months to keep them operating smoothly and prevent sticking. During routine checks, visually inspect the door cables and their connections for any signs of wear or fraying. Addressing small problems like a sticky latch or a loose cable early on can save you from more complex and costly repairs down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.